Located in Poland, the city of Warsaw is a vibrant historical destination offering a unique combination of old-world charm and modern attractions. Warsaw, the capital and largest city of Poland, is known for its rich history, stunning architecture, and cultural significance. Warsaw's landscape displays a mixture of architectural styles, from Gothic to Renaissance and modernism. Visitors can explore iconic sites such as the Royal Castle, Wilanów Palace, and the Palace of Culture and Science. The picturesque Old Town, with its cobbled streets and colorful buildings, has been recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. In recent years, Warsaw has also become a popular tourist destination. Its tourism industry thrives with a variety of attractions including museums, art galleries, theaters, and parks. For those interested in history, a visit to places like the Warsaw Ghetto or a tour of the Old Town provides valuable insight into the city's past. In addition, Warsaw boasts an impressive culinary scene, offering traditional Polish cuisine alongside international dishes. Travelers can also immerse themselves in Warsaw's vibrant cultural life by visiting renowned museums such as the Warsaw Uprising Museum or attending a performance at the National Opera. The city hosts various festivals throughout the year, showcasing its diverse cultural offerings. Whether you want to immerse yourself in history or simply soak up the atmosphere of this dynamic city, Warsaw promises visitors an unforgettable experience. With a combination of rich history, stunning architecture, and warm hospitality, it's no surprise that Warsaw continues to be a popular destination for travelers from all over the world.